I am Selva Kumar, Secretary Skill Development, Entrepreneurship and Livelihood, Government of Karnataka. We have around 270 ITIs in the state and the government sector. They are all having very rudimentary technology and Industry 3.0 technology. We wanted to upgrade this to Industry 4.0 level. So the Tata Technologies along with 18 partners have come forward to upgrade this under PPP model. These upgraded ITIs are located in 31 districts of Karnataka. The civil structures which we have created for these 150 ITIs are to the tune of 11 lakh plus square feet of the structure, and it is done within a record time of 6 months.
I am Srinivas Kulkarni, Director Karnataka Rajya Nirman Kendra, Apex Body of Nirmiti Kendra in state. We have called TSL and we have entrusted this task to TSL for execution of this part of the structure, and the fabrication part is given to TSL.
These 150 ITIs will be acting as a hub model for us. It's a hub and spoke model. The other ITIs, polytechnics, engineering colleges and industry clusters, they all can use this advanced technology, which will be beneficial for the improvement of our economy, and also we will be providing skilled manpower for the state and also for the country. We thought of Tata Steels as the first partner because Tata Steels are known for its quality, known for its expansive network in the market, and also timely construction. So all these factors weighed us in selecting Tata Steels. We wanted to have the sustainable, environment friendly technology to be adopted in these civil structures. So we have requested Tatas to adopt nesting prefabricated technology for implementing this project. The advantage of prefab is that it can be quickly done, it can be easily replicated elsewhere in all other places, and also it can create quality infrastructure in the field. Tata Steel's management was very cooperative with us. They were very much cordial, and also they have coordinated all the efforts in putting these structures in place in time. It's really a remarkable achievement that within 6 months of period they could do it in all the remote places of the state. Karnataka being the monsoon dependent state, during monsoon period and all other rough weather also they could do it without any interruption.
The project started during the COVID movement, especially the second lockdown period. But I appreciate Tata Steel, all their officials and employees. They followed COVID norms and without affecting the progress, they handled very well in this period.
During this implementation period, we had a happy journey with the Tata Steels and Tata Technologies. Tata as a brand has its own value in the country, and they have lived up to the expectation of the brand. It's one of its kind wherein we can create a situation where our skilled workers and skilled manpower will be spreading across the globe in the years to come. So that way they have helped us in creating the situation where we are the leaders in Industry 4.0 blue collar workers, and they will be spreading the name of Government of Karnataka and the Tata brand throughout the world.